Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and that bell icon just below. Right, here you go. Today we're going to do a pasta with cream, chicken and broccoli. Absolutely delicious, really simple. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. So, pasta. I'm using this small fusilli. You can be using any pasta you want. Get it cooked. That's already cooked now. Breast chicken, no skin, no bone. There's a couple of chicken breasts there. I've got like a mug of a cream. Now, I'm using a single cream. You can be using any sort of cream you want. Double cream, heavy cream. Up to you. Doesn't make any difference. Garlic. I've got like sort of 4 or 5 cloves there that I've chopped really roughly. If you want, cut it smaller. Now this is lovely. This is smoked paprika. It's going to give it a really beautiful flavour. If you can get that, it's really, really amazing stuff. Some parmesan. I'm going to get that in with the cream at the end to thicken it up really nicely. Some sliced onions, some broccoli and some tomatoes. This is what we're going to use to make the sauce. We're going to add some other cheese, some mozzarella on the top. Let's get started on this one. So we're going to start off in a pan of some description. You're going to need, I've got some oil in there. I'm just using a bit of corn oil today. You could be using olive oil maybe. Let's start off by dropping in that garlic. And like I say, mine's pretty sort of chunky cut, sliced. Cut it smaller if you want. To that we're going to add some onions. I'm using a red onion here. But again, brown or white will work just as well. Some black pepper. Touch of salt. I'm on a kind of above medium heat here. Now we're going to drop in our chicken. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, like I say. It's about 2 medium-sized breasts there. A lovely pair. Right. As that's just going around, we're going to get that smoked paprika in, which is really lovely. Now don't confuse, there's 3 types of paprika basically, so don't get them confused. There's sweet paprika, smoked, and then hot. And hot paprika is basically like chili powder, so be careful. Right, let's get this moving for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're going to introduce our broccoli. Here we go. Now, this chicken is nowhere near cooked yet. Just a few minutes we had on it there. But we're now going to drop in our broccoli. Now you may notice with broccoli, all these stalks, keep them, they're fantastic. I never throw them away. People usually sort of get broccoli and cut it about there, but the stalks are full of goodness. Let's get that little bit of tomato in. And then remaining on this heat, we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, this is looking fantastic. And we've got a little bit of moisture, that's from those tomatoes there. And that's cooked beautifully. Now, I'm going to add that cream in. And like I say, you can be using a single cream, a double cream, a cooking cream, up to you. Along with that, bit of parmesan. Now try and use fresh parmesan because that kind of dried stuff, you know, that kind of really finely powdered dried stuff is pretty horrible, quite frankly, so it's worth investing in a nice little block and grate it. We're going to cook this just for 2 minutes, keeping it moving now all the time because we've got the cream in there. And then we're going to be ready to add our pasta. So get your oven on. Now, your oven needs to just go on full blast because everything's cooked here. We're just going to be getting it together, aren't we? So I'll see you in a couple of minutes with a hot oven. Okay, let's turn the heat off. Now we're ready to introduce our cooked pasta. And like I say, I'm using this fusilli, this kind of mini fusilli. I'm going to stir that in and make sure we get some of our sauce all over that pasta. And then simply we're ready to go to an oven tray. So you're going to need a ceramic, glass or metal tray, up to you. They'll all work as long as it can go in the oven. We're going to put this in the tray. We're going to top it with some cheese. We're going to pop it in. And it's going to be fantastic. Okay, there we go. So that's in my oven-proof dish. I'm going to grab some mozzarella. You could be using cheddar or a combination of both. Then a lovely handful of that parmesan on the top. Right, so everything's cooked, oven's hot, maximum heat, in it goes. Probably going to be about 8 to 12 minutes depending on your oven. You know what we're looking for, that kind of golden brown on the top. Okay, there you go, straight out the oven as you saw. Really easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.